Welcome to our channel CodeSphere Camp. Today we'll explore what Claude is and discover how this powerful AI assistant can help you in your daily tasks and projects. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence assistant created by Anthropic. Think of it as having a smart, helpful friend who's available 24/7 to assist you with various tasks. Claude can understand and respond to you in natural, everyday language. No technical jargon needed. Claude has four main strengths that make it incredibly useful. First, it excels at natural chat and conversation. Second, it provides excellent writing help for essays, emails, and stories. Third, it's great at problem solving, including math and coding. Finally, it offers learning support with explanations and tutoring. Claude is incredibly versatile in what it can help you with. It can answer questions on virtually any topic, help you write and edit documents, explain complex ideas in simple terms, assist with coding and programming tasks, create stories and creative content, and help with research and analysis. There are several ways to access Claude. You can use the web interface by chatting directly on the website. Download the mobile app to use Claude on your phone, install the desktop app on your computer, or if you're a developer, use the API to build applications with Claude. Claude comes in different models to suit different needs. Claude Sonnet 4 is smart and efficient, perfect for everyday tasks and general use. Claude Opus 4 is the most powerful model, designed for complex and demanding tasks. Both are part of the advanced Claude 4 family. Getting started with Claude is incredibly easy. Simply visit Claude.ai to start chatting. No special training or technical knowledge is required. Just ask questions in plain English, and Claude will understand and help you. Are you ready to explore what Claude can do for you?